Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I want to share with you a new Sephora Favorites kit. This is a lip kit. If you guys have been with me for a long time, you know that I love Sephora Favorites kits. I think there's such a great value. And I did open it because I wanted to peek inside. It brings 7 products. It's $45 with a retail value of $22. It brings 3 full size and then the rest of them are deluxe size. So it brings Makeup Forever, Lawless, Laneige, Merit, House Labs, YSL, and Tarte. So I thought that that would be, especially lipsticks, guys. There's something about lipsticks that, I don't know, it just, they make me feel good and, I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and show you how they all look on the lip. I'm so glad I don't own any of these shades. I own a lot of these products, but not in any of these shades. These are all more like a nude colors. So I'm going to leave the full size for the end. And I'm going to wipe my lips so that we can try them. And I'm actually going to lip line my lips a little bit. So you guys can see it better because, guys, I don't have any lips. Okay, so the first one we're going to try is the Lawless. This is Forget the Filler. I love this. I own so many of these. These are lip plumping, line smoothing. These, I don't feel they hurt. It's more like a minty tingle kind of thing, but I find them myself to be very mild. But don't go by me. I like the stuff that hurts too, so this is very mild. This is in the shade Nude. So these are more like a lip gloss, but they are a heavier, on the heavier side of lip glosses. And the one thing I have to say is I do love them, and I do, every time she releases a shade I buy it. But you have to be careful how you apply them, that you don't apply too much, because it can feel heavy and goopy on your lips. Now this is more of a milky shade. That's very pretty. That actually looks beautiful with that lip liner. The lip liner I use is from ColourPop and it's in the shade BFF2. And I think that's the same one I'm going to use with all of them. So I'm going to swatch it on my hand so that you can see what it looks like. Like I said, this is milky. A lot of them are just very like sheer. That's what it looks like. It's light, but it looks very pretty on the lips. I like that. I definitely like that shade. That is beautiful. And again, you just feel like that minty coolness. I don't think they have any taste to them. At least this one doesn't. It just feels nice, feels beautiful. They're thick enough that they're going to stick around for a while, more than most lip balms. And like I said, this just feels like, they don't tingle to me, they just feel cooling. But I don't know, if you try them and you think that they're painful, let me know in the comments. I just don't think that's the case. So I left as much as a lip gloss as I could. So this is the next one. Wow, this is tiny. This is not a deluxe size. I would say this is deluxe. I would say this is like, this is a super small, you know, mini. And this is a lip oil from Tarte. And this one is in the shade Cinnamon. And it is plumping, so we'll see. Oh, it's very dark. It looks dark. So this one is darker. It tastes like chocolate. Ooh, it doesn't taste like cinnamon to me. It tastes like chocolate. Now this one you can feel also like cooling. It feels slippy, feels cushiony, feels comfortable, feels cooling. It's not hurting, at least not yet. So I don't feel like that's cinnamon or, you know, spicy pepper heat. I don't feel that. I feel the, like if you guys are familiar with Buxom, how those feel, that cooling sensation, that's what I feel with this. Now I feel it a little stronger than I did with the Lawless, but it's still just cooling. It's not hurting. It's not, you know, my lips don't feel like they're tingling. Tastes good though, and it looks beautiful. It looked like it was going to be a lot darker, didn't it? Too bad this is so little because I like this. This is a beautiful shade. But I guess I'm trying to get you to buy the full size, right? Look how pretty that is. That is really pretty. I really like that. I'm gonna move you guys a little closer so you can see it better. I think you can see that better. Yeah, this is a pretty shade. I like that. Very, very pretty. But it does feel very, very minty coolie. The next one we're going to try is the YSL. And the YSL is Love Shine Lip Oil Stick, shade 44, Nude Lavalier. Now I have the blush that is the lavalier, and it's so beautiful. That is very pretty. It's very sheer. And this is not plumping or anything. This is just, you know, like a tinted lip balm. And it's more pinky. It doesn't look as pink on my lips because of the lips, the lip liner I have on. It looks a little pinky. I'm going to put this lip liner on. Let me see. This one looks a little pinkier. Let's see. That is pretty. And I have a couple of these lip shines from YSL, but I don't think I have the shade. But it's very pretty. Again, this is to me more of like a mini than a deluxe size. But it's okay. These are nice for traveling. You know, they don't take up a lot of room. And, you know, it feels really good on the lips though. These don't feel tacky. They don't feel, they're very slippery, very comfortable, very hydrating. So far everything I've tried feels very hydrating on the lips. This is beautiful. I love this. I love the fact that it does have like a little more of a pink mauve color to it. I think that's very pretty. Okay, the next one we're going to try, which I think is going to be another light one. This is the one from Laneige. And this is a Glaze Craze Tinted Lip Balm. And this is in Sugar Glaze. But I would say just from the packaging, look at the packaging, how cool that looks. Just from the packaging, I would say this is almost like non-existent. I do own one of these, but it's in a darker shade. They're very comfortable. Again, you only pump out a little bit. A little goes a long ways. And look how pretty it looks. I like wearing it with a lip liner since they're so light. That's the shade right there. But that's very pretty. It smells good. It smells like brown sugar. It smells really good. This one again is not plumping. This is just Laneige. If you guys had, they've been around for a long time and very popular. A lot of people like Laneige. They're very hydrating, very comfortable. If your lips feel dry or chapped, they feel really, really good on the lips. And you know, I think that's a beautiful shade. If you are a nude lipstick lover, this is a great kit for you. Okay, next, I'm gonna leave the lip liner from Merit to the end because that one I'm just gonna use all over my lip. So next is gonna be the Makeup Forever, and this is in Forever Walnut. I actually have one of these, is in a pinkier shade, but I wanted this one and I almost bought it, but I didn't, and I'm glad I didn't. This I already know I love. This is a thicker consistency, a thicker formula, but it feels very nice on the lips. These have a nice wear time, especially for a tinted lip balm, or what is this, a lip balm or an oil? Okay, so this is the lip gloss. It feels very nice and cushiony. It does feel a little thicker than anything else I put on my lips, but it feels like it's the kind of product that will hang on for a while. And the one that I own already, it does hang on for a long time. Now I always wear with a lip liner. I think that helps. A lot of lip glosses don't really stay in place. You know, they kind of like to run out of your lip line. So I think that a lip liner gives them a little bit of a barrier and they stay in place. But this is beautiful. I love this and I'm so glad that I have it. And this will last me a long time because I don't wear the same shade of lipstick every day. Okay, so the next one we're going to try on is the House Labs. This is a full size. The Laneige was a full size. And then the Merit is a full size. So the House Labs is a PhD hybrid lip glaze and cocoa. So I don't know what a PhD. Feels really nice. It felt kind of cooling putting it on the lips. I love the shade, and it almost looks like it would be too dark, but it's not. Did I don't think I swatched the Forever Walnut. Okay, so this is the House Labs, and that is the Forever Walnut. Very pretty. So as you can see, most of them, the only one that is a little pinkier is this one right here, which was the YSL, but everything else is pretty much in like a brown nude. This is gorgeous, and these are nice. I own a couple of her PhD glazes, the lip glosses, and they are amazing. Very comfortable, nice wear, doesn't feel heavy on the lips, not sticky. I can't stand sticky lip glosses. Again, I always make sure that I don't go very heavy because I don't like to gather, and that's a danger that you have with any lip gloss if you wear way too much. This is beautiful, beautiful. And the lip liner that I used with it, it was, yeah, the BFF2 from ColourPop. So that is really pretty. I like that. Oh my gosh, I like them all. They're beautiful. So pretty. Okay, let's take most of the lip liner off because I want to try this one. Now, this one is in the shade that I don't own. I wasn't that excited to get another one. These are nice, but I like them if you're gonna fill your lips with it. I don't like it as a lip liner. I feel like these almost have the consistency of a lipstick, not so much a lip liner. They don't set, they don't last if you wear them as a lip liner. So I like it more if you're gonna just wear this as your complete lip look, not as to line your lips. Now a lot of people love them, but I'm not even that crazy about the shade, but that's the shade right there. But we're gonna put it on. So this is the color. It's not my color, it's not my shade. They do bring a sharpener in the back. They're very creamy, but like I said, this is like a lipstick on a lip liner. Lipstick on a stick, however you want to call it. This is not your typical lip liner formula. It is too creamy for that. But if you like wearing it all over your lips, then it's okay. But that is not, it's not my favorite shade. So out of everything that I tried, this is my least favorite one, okay? And mainly because of the shade. Because if it would have been a shade that I liked, then I don't mind wearing it as a lipstick. It's very comfortable as a lipstick. It's very glidey, it never sets. It stays like this. So, I mean, it's almost like having a lipstick that you can have the precision to line your lips with. But to me, a lip liner is something that you carve your lips out. It sets, it keeps your other lips, your lipstick, your other lip products from moving and staying in place. This is just like applying a lipstick everywhere, except that it allows you to carve out your lips, but it's not a lip liner. And did I tell you what shade this was? Capricorn. So it's called the Signature Sheer Lip Liners. I mean, it's nice. I'm not telling you that it's not a nice one, but let me put a little bit of the House Labs on top. But it's not anything that I would buy more. I think that there's other lipsticks that other lip liners that perform better as a lip liner. You can always use any lip liner as a lipstick. You know, some are creamier than others, but even some creamier ones that I have, to me, they perform better than this. This is just way too creamy for me. I like it better with a lip gloss on top. but still this is not my favorite shade out of everything that I received. But I knew that was going to be in here. I think it's still worth it for this and for this. And definitely, even though this is tiny, I love the shade. And these three are very nice too. So I think it was worth the money. I'm sure with just the two of these, I paid for the $45. Let me look them up really quick and I'll let you know how much that was. Okay, so this is the House Labs is $26 and the Laneige is $22. So right there is $48. So that pays for this was $45. So this pays for this. And then you get the rest of it for free. I love, this is my least favorite, but you guys may love it. That doesn't mean that because I don't like it that you're not gonna love it. It's just not, it's a matter of taste. You know, it's okay, you know, it's not a long lasting. Okay, it lasts about as long as the e.l.f. $2 lip liners do. Okay, those to me, those again are like a lip, it's like a lipstick in a pencil form. And you can, you know, do your entire lip and that looks fine, but is it my favorite lip liner? No, it's okay for being $2, but it's not something if I want a lip liner to last, that's not what I pick. And I don't pick this either. So if you like the e.l.f., you will love this. This is very creamy. You saw how creamy it looked on the lips. Very comfortable. They feel hydrating on the lips. But it's not what I call a true lip liner. That's just it. And then the shade is not my favorite, but some people like those browns, so that's okay. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this. Let me know, do you guys ever purchase Sephora favorites? Have you been tempted to get them? Is this something you would be interested in get it? I will link it below. Usually these go pretty quickly, especially the lipstick ones. And I know this is a new one that just got launched, I believe, last week because I ordered it right away. All right, you guys, thank you so much for spending some time with me. I love you, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.